The F-ball spiked roller has now become an essential finishing tool for the flooring professional to use with some stopgap smoothing underlayments. In the event of damage or contamination of the roller elements, replacement units can be purchased. First, remove the split pin from the roller bar and gently remove the bar from the frame. Then remove any dry underlayment from the bar and extract the individual roller elements. With all elements removed, wipe the bar, then slide on the new elements, ensuring the correct orientation for even spacing. With all the elements in place, locate the bar into the frame and secure with the split pin.